friends. Today we will learn colors.
What is this color?
It's red. It's red.
What is this color?
It's blue. It's blue.
What is this color?
It's green. It's green.
What is this color?
It's orange. It's orange.
What is this color?
It's yellow. It's yellow.
What is this color?
It's brown. It's brown.
What is this color?
It's purple. It's purple.
What is this color?
It's pink. It's pink.
What is this color?
It's black. It's black.
What is this color?
It's white. It's white.
What is this color?
It's gray. It's gray. Thanks for watching and see you!